Ask Tom on Home Show.
Douglas from Massillon, Ohio, has a Rusty question.
Well, he does. He recently bought a 20-year-old condo, Tom, and Douglas writes that inside that condo, the two grab bars on the painted steel bar fixtures are rusting and look awful. I'm concerned with unscrewing the side pieces to replace the bars will compromise the waterproofability of the walls. Can you give me some advice? There is no info on the shower surround, and the condo management has no info on the manufacturer. I don't think that would really matter, would it?
I don't know if the condo manufacturer or the condo people are really home improvement experts. So no, I don't think they're going to be able to help you. It's your condo now. You bought it. It's just like a house. And I say replace it, because rusty grab bars not only look awful, they could give you tetanus. So it's like being a rusty metal, cutting your hand. I kind of say it jokingly, but it's time to replace them. And if you can find replacements, do it. Don't worry about taking the screw out. If you're going to use the same screws, you find the exact replacement, you put them back in. If you wanted to be extra careful, you can put a little silicone on there and just reset the screws. I don't think you really have to, but that would be a choice. If you're going to have new screws and you have to make new holes with a different type of bar and you're going to cover the old holes, just fill them with some pure silicone. Pure silicone is different than the caulking everybody gets for their tubs and stuff. So when something like that, because you're not going to see it, because you're just going to put it in, it's real gooey. Don't try to spread it around with your fingers. You'll have it all over the place. Just put it in the hole and then put the caps on and let it go at that. It'll probably be better sealed than ever before. So don't worry about it. Replace the bars.
And best of all, the waterproofability will be preserved.
The proofability will be fantastic, I promise.
All right. As will the answer that we will give you if you click on the blue Ask Tom button. Send us your question. We'll answer it just like that, and we'll post it like we do every day at HomeShowRadio.com and, of course, on our YouTube channel for Home Show Radio when you go to YouTube.